To resend an invite in RipL, start by opening your web browser and navigating to RipL.com. From there, you can log into your account by clicking the login button and entering your email and password information. If you don't have an account, you can also sign up for one. Once you're logged in, you'll see various options, including My Brand, which is where you need to go to access your team. Clicking on My Brand will take you to a page with options like Creative Settings and Team. Click on Team. Here, you'll see a list of team members. And at the bottom, you'll find a section for invited team members who haven't yet accepted their invite. You can resend the invite to these members by clicking on the envelope icon next to their name. This process can be completed quickly by following these steps. Go to My Brand. Click on Team. And then click on Team Members to see the list of members and invited members, where you can resend the invite as needed.